Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Odd Rob, coming to you from Disney's Vero Beach Resort in Florida. I'd like to take a little bit of time and talk about turtles and what I've learned since I've been here. Disney plays an integral part in protecting the turtles that nest here every year. And as a matter of fact, I'd like to read something that is a little display in every single room at Disney's Vero Beach Resort. Sea turtles need your help. The beaches surrounding Disney's Vero Beach Resort are some of the most important nesting sites for sea turtles in the world. Nesting and hatchling sea turtles need dark, quiet, and flat beaches. You can help protect sea turtles during your stay by taking a few simple actions. Be a wildlife hero. Give turtles their space. Stay still and stay back. Keep the beaches dark. Turn off lights and close your curtains at night. Topple sandcastles and fill in holes after a day at the beach. I think that's a really nice thing that they do. And again, they're an integral part of protecting the turtles. Really wonderful to see. I was here years ago, and unfortunately, it was right after the season, so I really couldn't see a lot. The nesting season is from March 1st to October 1st. And each year, loggerhead, green, and leatherback turtles come here to deposit their eggs into hundreds, if not thousands of nests. And by the way, that's all along these beaches. And you can actually see all the spots that they've marked off. They actually litter the beach. Everywhere that you see that orange tape, all the way down there, following local ordinance, Disney requires all guests to shield or turn off all lights that are facing the ocean during nesting season. Now, baby turtles instinctively go toward the brightest light, and normally that light is the moon shining on the water. If they see an artificial light, they get confused and they'll go the wrong way toward it, which can certainly lead them to harm or death. Now, while you're walking around, if you're lucky enough to come across a female turtle that is coming up on the beach to lay her eggs, please just leave her alone. Watch from a distance. You won't bother her from a distance. Be quiet, no flashlights or anything. And if you see baby turtles emerging from the sand and heading toward the water, I know they're cute, but please keep your distance, watch them, just let them be, let them do their own thing. On the other hand, if they seem unhealthy, if they're going the wrong way, if they're acting confused, it is recommended that you contact your local turtle conservation and they'll point you in the right direction. They'll tell you what to do. Now, here at the resort, there's Disney conservationists that are available every morning, like around 7 o'clock in the morning. They'll answer any questions you may have, and they'll probably take you along to look at some of the nests that they'll be scouting out. Thanks, Disney! If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. And while you're there, go ahead and drop a comment, leave some feedback. It's always appreciated. And until next time, coming to you from Disney's Vero Beach Resort, Vero Beach, Florida. Stay safe, stay well, and by all means, you already know it, stay odd. Yeah.